Monday.com is a confidence-building, morale-boosting, time-saving platform. Hey, I'm Kenny Wallace. I am a vendor tooling project engineer at the Nissan plant in Smyrna, Tennessee. One of the largest automotive manufacturing assembly plants under one roof. We currently build the Nissan Leaf, Nissan Maxima, the Rogue, the Pathfinder, the Murano, and also the Infiniti QX60. I've been working at Nissan for 20 years now. In my previous roles, one of the big challenges is I've got a presentation. Our upper management says that I would like to see a different variation of that. Well, that meant me going back and pulling files and putting them in a different format to get it to where they wanted to see it. My senior manager introduced monday.com to me, and they gave me a little freedom to play around with it. I don't know another platform out there that has the same capabilities and the ease of use that monday.com has. Monday.com has given me the confidence because when upper management asks for a certain piece of information that I'm able to quickly provide it for them. A good example is we created a Kanban chart where it showed the vendor tooling engineers and which PDTs they were associated with. With just a few clicks of a button, I could bring the name in with that PDT so then they could quickly see, okay, this vendor tooling engineer has PDT 19, where normally with our other products, that would have taken at least an hour, maybe days, depending on where the information was. And in this particular situation, there's right at 100 PDTs. You imagine doing that for each one of those items? Since I came to this department, the main thing that I wanted to do was try to save time. For example, during our refurbishment process, we work with hundreds, if not thousands of suppliers. Last year, we were just using a spreadsheet. That could take a lot of time, hours, once you put it all together. With monday.com, we have one form, it simplified the process, and it tells the suppliers exactly what we need, and it saves us a lot of time in the long run. So once we've gotten the information from the suppliers, the next thing that we have to do is create the purchase order. Once we submit the PO information, the PO creation team gets an automated email that says, hey, you have a PO to create. PO creation team creates it. We get back an automated email that says, this has been rejected, this has been accepted. It goes into the complete pile, but when it does, the PO is automatically attached to monday.com with the PO number. They can quickly go in and review it themselves. They're not having to send emails trying to find someone here at Nissan that has access to that PO. I've had several data-driven positions here at Nissan, and we've tried quite a few different platforms, and I've seen them come and go. I believe monday.com has to stay in power because they're transforming as we're growing and transforming, so I can see that taking off and growing into the future.